Look at Sarah. She is a confident girl. Sarah brushes her teeth at fairly regular intervals and avoids eating cavity-causing foods. Even then, Sarah must make it a point to visit her dentist periodically. Why? Because, although brushing her teeth properly can help her get rid of dental plaque, sometimes plaque hardens and gets converted into calculus, also known as tartar. Tartar or calculus strongly binds to teeth and can sometimes be seen even along or below your gum line. The important thing to note here is that hardened plaque can only be removed by a dentist. That's why it is important to pay a visit to your dentist for regular dental checkups. Book an appointment with your dentist today and make sure your dentist follows all safety procedures, especially those related to the pandemic, accurately. Keep smiling beautifully.